Hello guys, Parfish here, and today I want to have a look at this Hot Wheels DeLorean. So this is the Back to the Future Time Machine, 2011 Hot Wheels premiere, meaning it is the first time it came out. And yeah, obviously we've seen a lot of re-releases and everything, but this is the original one. Alright, so let's have a closer look. Let's unflip my DeLorean. And here it is. I'd say the most distinctive part about this, between all the other DeLoreans, probably just maybe the silver shade of paint. It's like silver with large flakes, like the metallic flakes. Let's see, just have a look here. The hood, just very flaky, and the blue windows. Comes with these wheels. I don't know. I'm not bothered to count them. I'm just gonna call them maybe like what, 10 spokes. In the back here, you know, it's actually pretty nice. They painted this little thing here, the Time Machine add-on in the back. They painted it in a darker silver color. I know if it was Mattel in 2020, they would just leave it unpainted. That's actually a nice touch. Here we got the license plate. It says DeLorean on the little rear bumper there, and we get the tail lights and the license plate. I think it's written "out of time." So on the side here, we do have some decoration for the wirings. We have the black wires running off the side there, and this little blue thing on right on here. As for the front, I'm not sure if they put in the headlights. I can see some kind of tampo application, but it's hard to tell, but there probably is headlights. As well as a grille and a DMC logo. Here we got the interior. We can just see it's left-hand drive, and I think they added some more computer bits into it, just because it's like the time machine and everything. Oh, here in the back there's like a little red side marker too. It's really not bad, honestly. Plastic base, rolls nicely like any Hot Wheels car does. Normally anyways. Not talking about the defect ones. Yeah. Honestly, very solid release for a mainline. I'd say like this quality of mainline, just something that just we don't really see very often no more. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, this is Parfish out.